Meaning of digs.
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 Digs. The word digs has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One of its common meanings refers to a place where someone lives temporarily, such as a dormitory room or rented apartment. Another meaning is related to the act of digging, as in he digs in the garden. Additionally, it can be used informally to mean someone's personal preferences or interests. Overall, the meaning of digs depends on the context in which it is used and can refer to a temporary living space, the act of digging, or personal preferences or interests.